हंसना रूठना कितनी हसीन थी तू। अजीब सी ये दोस्ती, अजीब सी ये दोस्ती। कहानी शुरू एक नई, जाए कहाँ पता नहीं। घूमे बहके आएगी फिर क्या ये वही। तू सामने दूर तो नहीं, तेरी बातें है अब सब कुछ वही। जाने ना दूंगा तुझे अब कहीं, रखूंगा सबसे करीब। हंसी तेरी है अब मेरी जिंदगी। अजीब सी ये दोस्ती, अजीब सी ये दोस्ती। तड़पे तरसे बरसे हैं फिर अब वही।
Nice to meet you again.
Oppo N1. Turn your life.
ऐसा हंसी इस पल का मजा, काश रहूं मैं इसमें सदा। 12 बजे मुझे जाना होगा।
ठहरो, आओ अपनी तरंग से इतना मजा बढ़ा कि ये लम्हा यहीं थम जाए।
क्योंकि सिर्फ तरंग का गाढ़ापन चाय का इतना मजा बढ़ाए कि सुरूर भरा लम्हा थम सा जाए।
तरंग से ये लम्हा बना मजेदार रे, तरंग से ये लम्हा हुआ अब लाजवाल रे। तरंग ही तरंग है, गाढ़ा है दबंग है, तरंग ही तरंग है, खुशबू मजा रंग है, तरंग ही।
तरंग का गाढ़ापन चाय का मजा बढ़ाए, सुरूर भरा लम्हा थम सा जाए। क्योंकि तरंग ही है चाय का सही जोड़।
Hi. Hello.
Hi, Nidhi.
I'm
How are you
good,
doing?
I'm good. Your dad hasn't come
Oh,
yet?
he's just on his way.
Sorry.
Dad, look at the time. You promised.
Sorry. Sonam.
Dad और उनके promises. You know what my dad said? बेटा मूवी लेकर जाने का प्रॉमिस तो किया था, बट आज नहीं, अगली बार बैक टू बैक दिखाऊंगा। Even my dad is the same. He said, I will definitely come for your next annual day and will sit in the front row. Promise. मेरी मम्मा ने ना मुझे फॉरेन हॉलीडे पे ले जाने का प्रॉमिस किया था, तोड़ दिया और अब कहती है सॉरी बेटा मेरी लीव कैंसिल हो गई, अब अगले साल पक्का।
Beta,
It's okay, Dad. Don't worry about it.
I've not come to make excuses, but I realize no promises are big or small to break, especially the ones you make to your children.
You're absolutely right, Dad. If you've made promises to your son, then the night safari in Singapore is the place for him.
If you have made promises to your daughter, why not fulfill them in a castle at Universal Studios?
So here's your chance to fulfill your promises to your family. Send in your stories and MasterCard will give you a priceless surprise in Singapore.
You know, beta, I wish I could go back in time and spend all those moments I've missed.
Dad, that would be priceless.
Gorgeous.
Hi.
How do you always look stunning in selfies?
Because I have a selfie expert with me all the time. Oppo F1.
Ah, so that's the secret of your great selfies.
Shh, don't tell anyone. It's got this great feature called Beautify. All you need to do is put it on this mode and click a selfie. And no matter where or how you click the selfie, it will always come out the best. And its color filter gives every selfie a great mood.
Wow. What else?
Watch this. That's the fun of double exposure on Oppo F1.
Wow, that's cool. But how do you take a great selfie at night?
Magic. Actually, it's the magic of Oppo F1 screen flash.
Super! You're truly a style expert, Sonam.
It's not me. It's my Oppo F1, my selfie expert. I'm just the girl next door.
Hi, Ritik.
Hey, hi.
Why Oppo?
An actor's life is beyond just shootings, and nobody wants an autograph nowadays. Everybody wants a selfie. So, you gotta look great every single time.
So, what do you do?
I just carry my entire styling entourage with me everywhere I go. Right here in my pocket. My new Oppo F1, the ultimate styling expert. It has amazing features that gives you a perfect selfie every single time. And this is the Beautify feature. So no more retouching, just click.
Hey, Ritik, can I have one picture with you?
Sure. Now imagine if your hand is occupied. No problem. Just put on the hand gesture feature and wave.
Hey, me too.
Now what if both of your hands are occupied? Well, just say cheese. Cheese!
Wow, what else?
Now check the Super GIF feature.
Wow, this looks awesome. You are truly an expert.
Well, thank you, but it's not me. It's my Oppo F1. That's the selfie expert. I'm just a regular guy. What?
I thought that love was just a word they sang about in songs I've heard. It took your kisses to reveal that I was wrong and love is real. Hold me close and hold me fast, the magic spell you cast. This is La Vie en Rose.
It's my color, Rish.
I see La Vie en Rose. When you press me to your
12 custom-made matte pinks.
heart, a world where roses bloom. C'est elle pour moi, pour elle, pour la vie. Elle me l'a dit, la juré pour la vie.
beau la vie. Je vois la vie en rose.
I see la vie en rose.
Color Rage collection exclusive by L'Oreal Makeup Designer Paris. We're worth it.
My favorite metallic jewelry is inspired by my stylish Sarah Fawcett. Sarah reflects my style. My favorite metallic jewelry is inspired by my stylish Sarah Fawcett. Sarah reflects my style.
एक चिंगारी या कोई हवा का झोंका,
ये चमकती हुई शाम है रात, मसरूर हूँ तुमसे मिलकर, ये क्या हो गया है।
किसी नई अनोखी चीज की आमद, जब वो आपको छूएंगी तो सब कुछ बदल जाएगा। Firdauss, be enchanted.
Life's camera flashes. Oh, those dreams in your lashes. Sparkling nights and dazzling days. They're just a smile away. Shine like a diamond you are, like an evening star. You're a beautiful smile that makes you shine.
रॉकी यार दम लगा ना।
ओह, मेरे हाथ जल गए। तुम लोग ही पुश करो इस बैलगाड़ी को, मुझसे नहीं होगा।
इसे क्या हो गया? ड्रामा। चालू हो जा मेरी डार्लिंग।
तेरी डार्लिंग तो वैसे ही चालू है।
अबे तेरी प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
एक मिनट रॉकी, तू स्निकर्स खा।
क्यों?
क्योंकि तुझे भूख लगती है ना तो तू हीरोइन बन जाता है। अब ठीक है? ठीक है।
हंगर अच्छे अच्छों को बदल देता है। स्निकर्स में है नट्स, चॉकलेट और कैरमल। हंग्री, ग्रैब अ स्निकर्स।
Q-Mobile Noir Z6, the world's slimmest smartphone.
इसमें हीरो मर जाता है ना? हाँ? अरे सच्ची मर जाता है। 3 बार देखिए
पेश है स्पाइस वीडियोफोन बिग बैटरी के साथ। अब पिक्चर देखिए बिना रुकावट। वेल ऑलमोस्ट।
Corning Gorilla Glass 1.7 GHz octa-core processor, 16 GB ROM and 2 GB RAM, 5-inch full HD display, 13 megapixel camera with 5 megapixel front camera.
Q-Mobile Noir Z6, the world's slimmest smartphone.
We're all so different. So is our hair.
And different hair
Needs different care. That's why we trust only the expert.
L'Oreal Advanced Hair Care Paris. Expert solutions with unique ingredients.
Hair fall, switch to fall resist.
Dull hair, choose 6 Oil Nourish. Damaged hair, trust only Total Repair 5. Now you too can get extraordinary hair.
Choose your expert. L'Oreal Advanced Hair Care Paris.
We are all. I'm just like you. For me, hair color was a complete no-no. That was before casting creme gloss from L'Oreal Paris. No ammonia, no grays. My hair never felt so soft and so glossy. It's the hair color we've all been waiting for. Casting creme gloss with no ammonia. Very glossy, very me. Because you're worth it.
The moment I saw you, I knew there's only a few like you, bright and beautiful,
Bright and beautiful, selfie expert, Oppo F1.
Oppo camera phone.
Look at me, look at you. Take selfie and I'll show you. Look at me, look at you. You're so bright and so beautiful. So don't stop now. Take a shot.
Selfie expert, Oppo camera phone F1S.
Oppo camera.
Today's job list, washing clothes. Done.
Now you can be even more amazing with Electrolux.
Your smile is like a diamond. The more it shines, the more beautiful it is. Introducing Colgate Visible White Plus Shine. Its microcrystals give your teeth that extra shine. So in just 1 week, your teeth are whiter and shine brilliantly. New Colgate Visible White Plus Shine. Whiter plus shinier teeth in 1 week. Enter the Colgate Visible White Makeover Contest and you could win a makeover from my team and me. Grab your pack to find out more. असली मजबूती जड़ों से आती है। क्या आपका शैम्पू देता है जड़ों से मजबूत बाल? मेरा देता है।
सिर्फ L'Oreal Paris Fall Repair 3X में है ट्रिपल एक्शन आर्जिनिन जो बालों को मजबूत बनाए जड़ से सिरे तक।
जड़ों में हो दम तो बाल गिरे कम। अपनाइए L'Oreal Paris का Fall Repair 3X क्योंकि हमें नाज है खुद पर। My favorite fashion recommendation for the season? Snow White. Inspired by my Sarah Snow White.
It's my world, makes me smile. It's got the look, it's got me.
Sarah reflects my style.
हेलो
क्या आप मोटापे से परेशान हैं? कपड़े टाइट हैं? आपको चाहिए स्लिम सोना बेल्ट? 30 दिनों में
No
मोटापा
thanks.
वेलकम।
पेश है स्पाइस वीडियो फोन बिग बैटरी के साथ। अब पिक्चर देखिए बिना रुकावट। वेल ऑलमोस्ट।
The higher you go, greater the expectation. The stage keeps getting bigger and the lights brighter. But before I step onto the stage, there's that moment when I know I will shine. And then I just step into the light.
Make an impression. Signature International Fashion Weekend. Brought to you by Signature Natural Mineral Water.
What could be more precious than a pearl? A skincare cream that gives you a flawless complexion like one. New Pearl Perfect Day Cream from L'Oreal Paris. Like a pearl, it's one of a kind.
Its light-reflecting micropearls instantly brighten the skin. The Melano Block reduces dark spots, and UV filters protect from further darkening.
My skin looks radiant. Perfect. Go get that perfect skin. After all, you're one in a million.
New Pearl Perfect from L'Oreal Paris.
Because you're worth it.
डार्लिंग रिंग
हाँ गिफ्ट है
गिफ्ट गोल्ड कोई स्पेशल
ऑफ कोर्स
करीब से जानती हो उसे
बहुत करीब से लक्स छिपे हैं हजारों गोल्ड रिंग्स आपके लक्स में जल्दी कीजिए